from CrossFit Unscathed. We're doing the rep prep for Tuesday, April 5th. Really, Tuesday, April 5th. Okay. Just a quick announcement. This Saturday, Andre is taking 3 of his teens out to CrossFit Renatus, which is in Hemet, and they're doing a Oli lifting competition. So 1 rep max snatch, and then 1 rep max clean and jerk. If you guys could come out and support, it'd be really awesome. We're excited to see them lift heavy. So yeah, come check them out this Saturday. If you want to know any more details, ask me or Jenna, okay? All right, workout for tomorrow. For time, you're gonna do a 1,000-meter row buy-in, and then it'll do 4 rounds, 7 thrusters, 14 ball slams. Jenna's back to her old ways. She got an empty barbell. Okay, 1,000-meter row, we all know how to row. You'll get off the rower, clean this bar up to your shoulders, and just thrust away. Jenna's on it. Okay, squat. Wait, can you go back to that? Squat, up overhead, 1. Squat, up overhead, 2. Man, that bar is heavy. Okay, and then up overhead. I wish this was a basketball. But bam! Okay, drop into a squat catch. All right, guys, tomorrow's gonna be fun.
All right, see you tomorrow.
See ya.